Hello friends, today we are going to be looking into API test automation part 1. In this session, we are going to be discuss about introduction of API testing. What is API? Application Programming Interface. That's what abbreviation of API. Okay. So what API doing? API software intermediator that allows between two applications to talk to each other. How the two applications talk to each other, and also how the two applications sharing information between the two. So this kind of process we are going to be discussed in this session. And this API having some set of programming instruction. Based on that instruction only, API doing what action we are going to be do, what kind of data we are going to be share, how we can communicate to each other. This kind of action going to be handled between the two application. So that instruction will be doing inside web-based software application, which is web tool. I'm going to be tell you example of API, that time you will be understand easily. I'm going to be take real-time example of Amazon.com. So nowadays everyone going to be purchase what they want through Amazon.com. So what product we order, that product we get delivery to our home, right? So here inside Amazon, two application going to be connected and talk to Amazon also. How it will be happen? How the third party website come into inside Amazon? I'm going to be show you inside application. That time you will be understand. Okay. So now I'm going to be open Amazon site. So once we can go to the Amazon site, we can see the some UA layer. So this is the UA layer. So we can understand what are the section will be available, what are the products you want, we can search it, right? So now I want table chair. Once you can search for the table chair product, will be display list of product, right? So which product you want, we have to select. So now I want to this chair. Once I can click on this one, we can see the Amazon will show you this is the product price and this is the product offer we are given, and this is the product information. Okay. So here how the third party will connected with Amazon. Here you can notice one thing, this chair will be provided by VMS company. So this brand only will be providing this chair. I'm going to be select another chair also. Here we can see visit the BI3 store. If you click here, so this is the one store. This store connected with Amazon. So what are the product we are having? We are going to be sell it through Amazon. So Amazon will show you list of product which is available inside this BI3 store. So BI3 one is third party. Another one is VMS. This is the one third party. This two application connected with Amazon. So again, I'm going to be show you another one is brand is generic. So this is the one brand. So this kind of third party will be connected with Amazon. So once you can click on buy now option, it will be directly go to the place order section, right? So what are the card, what are the bank you want to add, here you can add it, right? So this is the third party. So banking application and that product storeroom or some application to be linked with Amazon, right? So this what communicated between the two application. So this what doing API doing talk to each other. So the Amazon one application and another is Axis Bank or ICICI Bank, another one application. So between Amazon and banking application talk to each other, right? So whether it is confirmed or not. And also the same way BAI3 one third party tool. So this BAI3 will be talk to Amazon. The same way Amazon also talk to BAI3. So what are the product available? What are the color is available, what are the price ranges available. So everything will be showing inside Amazon, right? So this is the API doing action between the two application. So again, I tell you another one example. It is easy to understand. So again, I told you the API is a software to software interface. So Amazon on software and banking also on software, which is mobile banking or internet banking, right? Will be connect to each other. So here you can take Book My app or else Make My Trip. So best example I am going to be tell you Make My Trip. Okay. So that time you can easily understand. Make My Trip. Sorry. Make My Trip. Go to this Make My Trip. Here you can see hotels and flights and trains and buses. So every transport facility available, right? So here if you want to book a flight ticket or bus ticket, so what are the bus ticket available? What are the bus ticket that's not available? Everything will be shown to you, right? So what are the bus ticket? It will be gray outer. It will be booked. So what are the bus ticket having highlighted with red color, some color means it is not booked, right? Based on that your color identification, you can able to understand, right? So once you can click on book now button, that time it will be redirecting to corresponding application, third party, which is flight application or bus transport application or trains application. It will be directly redirecting to that application. Railway, so obviously railway ministry, it will be going to redirect. Bus, lot of bus transport available, Vedam Travels and SRM Travels, this kind of travel is available, right? The flight, different type of flight is available. So this kind of third party, bulk of third party software interconnecting with MacMyTrip. The MacMyTrip will be communicating to all the third party. So how it will be happen? The API only doing this kind of action, right? So this is the best example you want to aware of it. Okay, and next is what is API testing. So before you know very well what is API, how the API working between two application. Now we are going to be do API testing. So what are the testing activities I'm going to be do between these two application, which is think as QA engineers. Okay, so here obviously here I'm going to be tell you Amazon. Once you can launch that Amazon.com, first we have to interact with the EA performance, right? So whether the the button style and this header section and this search performance, whether after entered this table chair, click on enter, whether search result will be displayed or not. This is the performance within the 2 seconds, 1 second will be show the result. So this is the performance. And security. So we are adding some credit card, debit card details, right? Whether securely maintained or not. So this is the security testing. So here functionality testing, performance testing, security testing, reliability testing, this kind of testing we are going to be taken inside application, right? The API testing, so when you are going to be click on buy now, so whether properly it will be connected or not with the third party. If it is not connected, what happened? The application's defect bug, right? So that's what we need to ensure by the QA engineer. Okay. So that's what. So between the database layer and presentation layer. Presentation layer means what? The UA, graphical user interface, which is the showing the Amazon.com. This is the web page. What customer going to be looking into front level, that is the UI. What is the database backend? No one not know. Okay. So this is the layer we want to test. Where is the API testing performed? So that is 3 separate layers in the typical app. Presentation layer, business layer, database layer. So already you are aware of it. Presentation layer, which is graphical user interface. That's what we seen inside of Amazon or Make My Trip application. Business layer. Business layer, no one not know. Business layer means, so the developer only will know. For example, so here I'm going to be click this product. Once I click on this product, it will be display this page. So this is the action will be written by developer code, right? So and 50% of this calculator, the calculator logic, after click on add to cart, what happened? This product will going to be add in the cart page. If it is not added, what happened? The developer does not return logic properly. So we raise the defect, right? We raise the defect, it will be going to talk to developer team. So developer team again going to be looking into business logic of code, what error it will be, what error we are made, so how we can fix that one, right? So and always buy now, once click on buy now, it will be ask delivery address, what are the address we need to add, phone number and say your address details, everything we need to enter, right? So if it is not entered properly, what happened? So it will be having some issue, right? So that's what written by developer business logic code inside application. So developer and company only know that business layer of business logic of code. And if you are creating Amazon new account means, so you need to enter name and mobile number. How you know? So you know very well. So this is the your name and mobile number. So easily we can understand, right? The customer easily understand by for creating account. In India, every mobile digit number having 10 digit. If I entered 12 or 14, it's showing some error. If it is accepted, what happened? This is application issue. So we need to raise the defect. So business layer is very important. If anything wrong or incorrect option is going on, so totally it will be collapsed. Okay. And the database layer. So what are the details we are stored inside application? Your address information and your banking details. So everything it will be stored inside database. It is secure and safe. If it is leakage, what happened? The customer lose our trust on this Amazon, right? So we need to maintain this database layer. And so if anyone lost the card and if anyone want to change the address, so the day by day it will be going to be happen manipulating data. So according to that, the database will going to be update day by day, right? So whole the database will be maintained by secure and safe. So you know very well presentation layer, obviously QA performs functional testing at this layer. Business layer, so already I told you this is the technical terms. Developer and the company only know what are the logic they written. So if they know very well, that time only the application, the presentation layer, the database layer will communicate to each other. Then only the Amazon will going to be talk to the third party application. Okay. So here the critical layer means business layer. So business layer only very important. If you write logic is very good, that time the application going to be work properly. If it is not, what happen? Some issues, some defects, some error, it will be thrown. So that time the customer will lose the confidence on this application. Okay. So this is the API and API testings we are going to be do. If you know, this is the basic level of API testing understanding. Okay. Thank you guys.